Hello, and welcome to another instructional video by Idiomas. Let's learn how to install and use the Timetune app. It's great for productivity, especially for your studying program routine. First, open your WhatsApp app. Access your Idiomas support group. Read the two instructions and tap on the first link to open the Play Store and install the app. After installation, close the Play Store. Now, tap on the second link to download your studying program file. Click to download. Great! Now, access all your apps and search for the Timetune. Open it. Now tap on Options, Settings, Backup, Restore Database, and select the file you downloaded. This one. Open it. Great! Restore successful. Now, to easily visualize the notifications, you can add a widget on your screen. Tap and hold on a screen. Tap on Widgets and navigate to the Timetune. Tap and hold and select a full screen to put your widget. Tap and hold again to resize the window. Great! Now you can see all your notifications. Thank you very much for watching this video.